So I am back, you guys, with another video. And today, you guys, first time, another first time recipe video, you guys. And I decided to try the Pop-Tart cookies. I don't know, I just wanted to do them, you guys. But I'm not gonna prolong it. So we're gonna jump into this video. Okay, you guys, so let's jump into this Pop-Tart cookie recipe. This is a copycat crumble Pop-Tart cookie recipe, you guys. I wanted to see what it was all about, so that's why I'm trying it today, you guys. But I have already have my ingredients in this bowl, my dry ingredients. But I am going to tell you guys what is in this bowl. So the recipe requires, and I'm looking at it right here on paper. It says 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. It's in there. 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. And 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, you guys. And I have it in there. Now I'm just going to take my plastic whisk, you guys. And I'm gonna whisk it. It doesn't have a whisking time, you guys. So I am going to do it for 3 minutes, you guys. So you just want to take your whisk and just make sure that all of this is combined really well. So I am going to do this for 3 minutes, you guys. And I will be back to show you the next step. So in between time, you guys, while I'm waiting for my butter to set room temperature, you are going to need, I have some Smucker's jam, you guys. Well, this is Smucker's strawberry topping. I'm going to try this. And then also, I was going to try some strawberry spread. And this is just like a little generic kind, you guys. But I want to see how both of them react to this cookie. And then you're going to need some melting wafers. And this is just the off-brand I bought, you guys, just to try this cookie out. And I got these from my local grocery store, you guys. So let's jump back to this video. Okay, you guys, so this is the next step. We are going to cream our butter and our sugar. So in here, I already have my butter and sugars in here. So I'm going to tell you guys the measurements. So it says 1/2 cup of butter, you guys. 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. And then 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. So we're going to cream all the sugar and butter together. And then we're going to add in 1 egg. And we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of butter vanilla, you guys. And if you don't have butter vanilla, then regular vanilla is fine too. So I am going to cream my butters together. And I will be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I got my 1 egg in. I added in to the sugar butter mixture. And now I am going to take this, see this butter flavor, you guys? And I got this from, if you guys have a Joann's fabric store in your state, this is where I got this from. But any butter flavoring, you guys. And if you don't have butter flavoring, you can use vanilla. But the recipe requires 2 teaspoons. So I am going to pour in 2 teaspoons. And I am going to mix this with my hand mixer, you guys, until it is smooth and creamy, they said. So you want it to be somewhat like this. So I'm gonna keep mixing it, you guys, and I will cut you back on. Okay, guys, so I have finished mixing my ingredients. Now I'm going to take my dried ingredients and I'm just going to, again, add a little at a time, mix it. So I'm going to add a little. A little in, and then I'm going to mix it. Add a little in, mix it. So I will be back to show you guys the results. Okay, you guys, so I have got my cookie dough out. And you guys, you're going to need a large ice cream scooper. So I have already set up my baking sheet. So I scoop my dough out. And now what I'm going to do is roll it in my hand and create a ball of dough, you guys. And like I said, this is my first time making these. So I'm learning just like you guys are gonna learn if you try these. Just trying to roll it in my hand good to make sure it's rolled up good. Okay. So I got my ball of dough. I'm gonna place it on my cookie sheet. I'm gonna take a tablespoon. I am going to take my tablespoon and I'm gonna mash down on the ball of cookie dough. Not hard, lightly. And I'm going to bring my tablespoon back up, put it to the side, and you're going to get, it should look like this. It should have an indent in it like that. And see, I have did a couple of them already, see you guys. So it looks like a ball. So I got 2 more to do with these. So on my baking sheet, you guys, I only got 6, a half a dozen cookies out of this dough. Okay, and then this one I have done already, but I'm going to do the same thing. I might re-roll this one because I don't like how it is. But you guys, that's the next, well, not the next step, but that's this step. And we're going to move on to the next step, which is going to be filling these cookies. So you're going to need 1/3 cup of strawberry jam or whatever filling you're using. And you're going to need your white melting wafers. These, you guys. And I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, you guys. So, I have got my strawberry jam right here, and I'm using Smuckers. Well, it's not, I don't know, it says strawberry topping. They said jam for a recipe, but that's what I saw at the grocery store. That's what I'm using. So I got a third cup of it, see? And they said use a half. Hold on, you guys. I can't remember if they said teaspoon or tablespoon. So I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so it is a half tablespoon, so I was correct. So I'm going to take my half tablespoon and I am going to drop this in the inside of this cookie. And I'm just going to go ahead and drop some in all of them. This one, and one more, you guys. Okay, so I have got my jam in each one of those. Now they said you're supposed to take it and seal the top. So I'm just going to go around pushing up the dough like that. To close it in. And then I'm just going to take it and roll it in a ball, you guys. Put it on my baking sheet. And I am going to bake them. You're supposed to heat your oven to 350. You guys preheat it to 350. And these will stay in there 10 to 15 minutes. And I will be back to show you guys the next, well, how they turned out. Okay, you guys, so here are the finished Pop-Tart cookies. And as you can see, I took those white candy melts, you guys, and I added a little coconut oil to mine, like a teaspoon of coconut oil, to help the white chocolate melt. And then when it got done, I just used a spoon to drop some white chocolate on top of the cookie. And then I just used my sprinkles, my sanding sugar sprinkles, you guys. So I use red, pink, and blue. But these are the Pop-Tart cookies. And as you see, I just, like I said, I just took a spoon and let the chocolate fall where it did. So you can see where the white chocolate went over the cookie. But that's okay. But you guys, these are the Pop-Tart cookies. And you will see them in a short video also, you guys. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will party with you guys next time. Bye. Hello, my partiers. It is your girl Tiffany, back at you again with another video.